Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals. Today I am playing with making beads that have a coal going through it, through sideways. So I looked all over for a design and I couldn't find one. So I decided to draw one and then put it into Silhouette Studio and make my beads. I have another video that explains more in depth how I make the beads. But here I have put this 3M sticky adhesive so that it has glue on it, so I don't have to put any other glue on it. So I'm putting glue on both sides of my wood. And one side is wood and the other side is acrylic. And I have to put two sides together to make this thing work for me. I have covered my wood with denim, and I also have other videos that show you how to do that, so I won't go into that here. So now I'm having to take all of this sticky paper off of each piece and then join them together. And so you can see my hole there, and that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to string my beads through these holes. This is all experimental, so this will be my prototype. In fact, this is actually the second one. The first one that I cut, for me, the beads were too small. So I'm going to play around later with making the necklace in different sizes to see what I like best. And then once I get that part perfected, then I'll start playing around with the beads. I mean, make some different shapes, or put holes in them, or just do some other things to design it. You know, my thing is to be deliberately different. So I'm always looking for something that I haven't seen before. The next time I do this, I'm going to make my holes a little bit bigger. I didn't quite make them large enough. That's why I had to go through with my Dremel to expand my hole a little bit. But like I said, this is all experimental. I'm going on a trip, and when I get back, I'm going to have a sale of all of my prototypes. It's going to be a sale that you're not going to be able to resist. It's almost a giveaway, but I'm going to have to move some of this stuff. Well, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.